All right, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about Acorns and whether or not it's a bank. You might be scratching your head right now, thinking, isn't Acorns that app that helps you invest your spare change? Well, yeah, it is. But there's more to it than that. So, does Acorns have a bank? Short answer, no. But it's not quite that simple. Let's break it down. You see, Acorns is what we call a fintech company. That's fancy talk for a financial technology company. These guys are shaking up the traditional banking world with their tech-savvy approach to money management. Acorns, in particular, has made it super easy for people to start investing, even with small amounts of money. It's like having a tiny financial advisor in your pocket. But back to the bank question. While Acorns isn't a bank itself, it does partner with actual banks to offer certain services. It's kind of like when you rent a car, you're using the car, but you're not the owner. In Acorns' case, they partner with banks to provide things like checking accounts and debit cards. This means your money is actually held by these partner banks, not by Acorns directly. Now, this partnership thing might sound a bit confusing, so let's talk about why Acorns does it. Well, it's all about efficiency and focus. Acorns wants to be really good at investing your money and helping you grow your wealth. Building and maintaining a full-fledged bank with branches and ATMs? That's a whole different ballgame. So, they've decided to stick to what they do best and let the banks handle the banking stuff. This partnership model also brings some benefits to you, the user. For starters, you get the best of both worlds. You have access to investment features through Acorns, and you also have a checking account to manage your everyday spending. It's like having two financial tools in one place. Plus, your money is FDIC insured, which means it's protected in case the partner bank runs into trouble. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. If Acorns isn't a bank, what does that mean for your money? Well, your money is safe. As we mentioned, it's held by partner banks that are FDIC insured. However, it's important to understand that investments aren't FDIC insured. So, while your checking account money is protected, the money you invest through Acorns is subject to market fluctuations. Now, this isn't to scare you off investing. Investing is a great way to grow your money over the long term. But it's essential to understand the risks involved. That's why it's always a good idea to diversify your investments and do your own research. So, to recap, Acorns is not a bank, but it partners with banks to offer banking services. It's a fintech company focused on investing, and they've made it super easy for people to start investing small amounts of money. Your money is safe with the partner banks, but remember, investments carry risks. With that said, Acorns can be a great tool for building your financial future. But like with any financial product, it's important to understand how it works and if it's right for you. Do your research, compare options, and make informed decisions. And remember, this is just a general overview. There are always terms and conditions, fees, and other details to consider. So, before you dive in, be sure to read the fine print. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.